Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I posted a video, but this is my next little project. A lot of stuff has gone on in my life, and this is the next little project that I have on the go. I just picked this old 1988 Bigfoot camper up about a week ago, and since then I've been working on fixing a few things up, testing things out, finding a fifth wheel hitch that'll fit my truck. The Demco Auto Slider, 13,000 pounds. Cool thing about this hitch is as the trailer pivots, this head will travel towards the back of the camper, the back of the bed, and it will also offset the center of the kingpin forward this way if the back of the trailer is over there, creating clearance between the bed rail and the back of this metal bracket here. That's pretty cool hitch. Today we'll be working on the door. I have to take a few things off, but underneath at the very bottom, I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but we got some dark colored wood up here and it's all rotten. But what do you expect for 1988? Gonna have to fix a few things. So far I've replaced the fire extinguisher, the carpet in the bedroom. It's relatively small. I think that's a full-sized bed up there. As you come around, straight ahead from the door, you've got the bathroom. It's not a bad unit. Toilet separate from the shower. It's pretty cozy in there. Over there we got the fridge, furnace, and converter. Towards the back we got a couple of sitting areas. The table's folded up against the wall there. You got a double sink and a stove. And we're back to the entrance door. So we'll continuing on. With the door. I probably won't film the whole thing because I need both my hands taking the door off. One thing that's kind of neat about this camper is, from my understanding, they only made approximately 200 to 300 fifth wheel Bigfoot style campers. So I'll leave you with that, and next you'll see me with the door on the sawhorse. So here I've taken a few pictures of the work I did disassembling the door. I didn't take any videos because there was a big rainstorm on the way. All the components easily enough to remove, a few screws and it pops right out. Pry off the molding, aluminum molding around the edges, and you can see the rot on the actual door frame sandwiched between the fiberglass. There I've removed the bottom piece and you can see the extent of the rot. Here you can see some of the pieces of wood I've cut that I'm going to use to replace and support all that old rotten wood. There it is, pretty well all wrapped up, just needs to be glued and nailed, and that's about it. Well, here it is, back on the trailer. Lubricated up all the locks. I still have to trim some of the gunk that squeezed out. Patched up this hole. I don't know if it'll last, but we're gonna find out. Just had a piece of rubber laying around. Contact cemented that into place. I also didn't get to take a good picture of what I did to the door, but it's all back together. Should be no leaks. And the bottom is all brand new. Well, thanks for stopping by and watching. Comment, like, subscribe if you got anything, and we'll see you next time.